first week in our summer internship, Allie showed us this proposal to Dr. Chiang about potentially making an ice cream. We all know that he loves ice cream. And she basically was like, go research, how could we make this?
I have the caramel chocolate chip ice cream and the espresso ice cream with caramel swirl. And we're gonna let the student try it today, and let's vote on which one will be the next Purdue ice cream. It was very important to us to get the student feedbacks at BGR. So right now that we have the formula and we are ready to upscale, we will send that to a manufacturer in Indiana, Glover's, so they will upscale and make a big batch of the ice cream. The ice cream will be packaged in small cups and they will be available potentially at football games and other places on campus.
So I think it's just nice seeing the end product on the shelf and then also being able to be like, that's mine, that's mine. Like telling my family, that's what I did this summer during my internship.
Hi, President Chen.
Hello.
We're from Food Science. We brought you the first cup of boiler chip ice cream.
Wow, boiler up to that. Well, thank you. Thank you so much. Boiler up to boiler chips.